Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and the weather outside sure is, well, it's actually kind of indescribable. Just cut to a clip of it. Before we get into this delicious video, I don't really think I'm dressed for the right season, so I definitely think that's a bit better. So now that we have the right attire, I'm going to start this delicious biscotti recipe with 1 cup of almond flour. I'm adding 1/8 of a cup of monk fruit sweetener, but I feel like that's not very much sweetness. I don't know, I've never made biscotti, but I feel like it's a bit weird. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. It's like snow. Do you guys like my socks? They'll totally blow your socks off. Did you guys notice that I have like an ugly Christmas sweater on my ugly Christmas sweater? Fork dropped in it. And dang it, it dropped in again. Anyways, I'm gonna stir in 1 egg to form a dough. Dang it. Getting damn and dirty in there, but I feel like last time I did this didn't really go so well and my hands got all dirty, but this time it'll work, I'm sure. So now I'm melting 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and then I'm gonna mix it with some almond extract. So I added that mixture into the dough, and now I'm going to flatten it onto a lined baking sheet. So this is what I just formed this into on a lined baking sheet, and ignore the fact that it's small because I have the recipe and probably shouldn't have, but just ignore it. It's small, but that doesn't matter. It's still gonna be delicious. But so I'm gonna bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna bake it for about 10 to 15-ish minutes, or until it's golden brown and should be hard on the outside but still kind of soft on the inside. So I've preheated my oven again to 300 degrees, and my loaf has cooled, and my little baby loaf, and I have this gigantic super sharp knife, and I'm going to cut it into slices. Guys, I'm just putting this out there. These smell so good. So I popped those in the oven, and I'm gonna bake them until the bottom is golden, and then take them out, flip them, and bake them until the top is golden. So my delicious looking hot chocolate is done, and here I have my cup, and I'm just gonna pour it over a sieve to get rid of any gross little floaty cocoa powder bits. That's good. Okay, so we just took some pictures of this deliciousness, and go check those out on my Instagram account. And I'm going to try this biscotti with this delicious hot chocolate. Oh, look at how thick it is. It coats the biscotti. It is so good. The chocolate and the sweetness of the hot chocolate, and then the crunchy textural aspect of the biscotti. I know that a lot of people hate biscotti. They're like, it's too rock hard, but you guys need to try this recipe. It is so good.